Hello and welcome to
A Couple Codes.
My name is Cody,
And my name is Emily.
and this week we did something a little bit different.
Shaking things up.
So let's talk about this past weekend first. What did we do this past weekend, Em?
We went to our first ever tech conference, which was really great. We were able to meet a lot of people in the local area. We talked with people about different tech companies, about people's projects. We talked with students. So it was great to interact with a wide variety of people, and we were able to actually help volunteer with it too. So it was kind of fun to be able to do some behind the scenes stuff to help out as well. We're very appreciative to be able to have that opportunity.
Yeah, it was really nice to get out there and start meeting people, and we've already started doing that with some of the local meetup, but this was kind of a larger event, so we had a lot more exposure to actual companies and lots of individuals as well. So it was really nice to get out there.
And if anyone's watching this who helped organize the conference, thank you very much for
Yes.
all the hard work that you put into it.
Thanks so much.
So Cody, what else did we do this week?
So during the week, we started making some progress toward building a small company.
Yeah. So we have a potential freelance job opportunity, making a website for someone who owns a local business. So we've decided to take this opportunity and use it to develop a small business so that once we build this website, if all goes well and we'd like to continue building other websites, we are set up to be able to do that.
Yeah, the thought is we're going to continue doing the Odin project going forward with the ultimate aim of getting a job within the tech industry. However, one of our long-term goals is to start our own business. We like working together. We had a little bit of experience working together with another venture, and we really enjoyed it. So that's a long-term goal, but we feel like we have enough confidence and experience to get started with maybe some smaller projects now, and that way we can also start building out a portfolio of actual clients and having recommendations, referrals, etc., etc. But yeah, it's pretty exciting.
Yeah. And there's the side benefit that once we have a portfolio of projects, then those will help with employability as well. I did also work on the Odin project a bit this week. I was learning about React routing, which is pretty cool. And I think next week, planning to do a hybrid of working on our business, but also working on the Odin project. Is that what you were thinking?
Yeah, I think next week it seems like we'll probably be getting most things together. We still have some legal aspects to figure out, but we have our civic website up and we have somewhat of a path forward, just generally speaking. So we're going to keep chipping away at that on a weekly basis, and it's something that we can kind of keep running in the background and keep working on bit by bit as we're making progress on the curriculum too. So
Yeah, we're actually having so much fun making our own website that we work like all day long into the evening up until bedtime, just hacking away at it. So it's been pretty fun so far. We're also getting a lot of really good experience working collaboratively with Git.
yes, we're having lots of issues with pulling and pushing at the proper times.
There's a lot of frustration at times with trying to pull and then the repository is updated and then running into issues. But we've decided to, first of all, communicate with each other about pushing things. If you're pushing a lot of stuff at once, then it's just helpful to let the other person know. But also, we're going to be working in branches whenever we're each working on different features or certain parts of the websites so that we can merge things more easily.
Yeah, definitely nice to start working on a project together so that we can practice some of those more advanced Git skills.
Git skills!
Pretty much it's been we just git add, git commit, git push, git add, git commit, git push for all of our projects.
Mm-hmm.
So you never have to worry about anything in regards to merges and all kinds. But that's pretty much all we did this week. So thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to continue watching our progress with the Odin project.
And if you've ever done freelance web development for local businesses, we'd love to hear about your experience if you want to pop a comment below.
Thanks for tuning in to
A Couple